Today is Wednesday, 31st of January 2018. Dow Jones 30 Index recap. Okay, so very interesting trading session last night. As I noted in my previous analysis on Dow Jones, I said the rising bond yields, 10-year hitting 2.7172, was putting pressure, and that proved to be the case. Here we can see we've had a nasty gap down from Monday to yesterday's session, and the Dow closed about 340 points lower. Now, the million-dollar question is, I suppose, will this be an exhaustion gap? I've talked about gaps on the Dow Jones previously in the past, and I did say in one of my analysis that any sign of a mean reversal could come in a way of an exhaustion gap, which we've had from last night's session. So the thing is here, for this gap to be valid, if this is an exhaustion gap, and if it is proved to be the case, we'll get further selling to come. Now, what I'll be looking at is to see over the next few trading sessions if we're going to get a rally to backfill this gap, or if it doesn't, this could morph into more selling, which would lead to lower prices. Keeping in mind we have this gap here to be filled at 25,595. Interesting also with the 5 and the 10 moving average, it's closed below it. I know it's closed below it before in the past, but more to the point, just delete those arrows. In the past, as we can see here, the retracements have been, and same with that one, have been very minimal. This retracement is, or this sell-off is pretty steep. So if I was to draw it here, it's what we've got is like a V shape. So as I said with my previous analysis on the Dow Jones, I'm neither long or short here. I just want to see how this plays out. If the options are, if it goes back and it closes the gap, obviously it's going to push above the moving averages, then I think higher prices will print. If this gap doesn't close, I'll look to take short positions on acceleration of this sell-off. Given that the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 have not had a decent pullback for so long, this looks like it can be definitely heading that direction. But I'll have to wait and see how this plays out.